Curious how artificial intelligence is driving enterprise-wide transformation? Welcome to AI CERTs Chief AI Officer Certification. For leaders managing AI strategy, understand governance, align with goals, and enhance decision-making. Lead responsible AI adoption, build capabilities for innovation and success. AI is transforming organizations. Without a clear AI strategy, leaders risk missing gains. The Chief AI Officer Certification by AI CERTs helps executives drive smart decisions and align AI with business goals. The Chief AI Officer Certification equips senior leaders with the essential skills to lead enterprise-wide AI transformation. Participants develop expertise in AI strategy development, leadership and team management, AI ethics and governance, and data-driven decision-making. This certification prepares executives to align AI initiatives with business goals, govern responsible AI adoption, lead cross-functional teams, and drive measurable impact through informed, ethical, and strategic use of artificial intelligence. The Chief AI Officer Certification is ideal for current CTOs, CIOs, and Chief Digital Officers leading enterprise technology and digital transformation COOs and operations executives, as well as CEOs and founders of technology-driven companies shaping AI-led business growth. It is also well-suited for students and new graduates aspiring to senior leadership roles in artificial intelligence and innovation. The Chief AI Officer Certification equips leaders with AI skills for enterprise transformation. Learners explore AI in automation, data analysis, and decision-making. This program helps executives enhance efficiency, adopt AI responsibly, and lead impactful initiatives for business outcomes. Backed by global standards, AI CERTs certifications are trusted by professionals and organizations worldwide to validate real-world AI knowledge. This course is designed for maximum flexibility and real-world impact. You can learn at your own pace through a fully self-paced online format with 1 full year of access to all course materials. The program includes expert-led video lessons, downloadable handouts, and AI agent support to guide your learning journey. To validate your skills, the certification concludes with a secure, proctored exam. Join the Chief AI Officer Certification by AI CERTs to gain strategic AI knowledge for leadership. Learn how AI enhances decision-making, efficiency, and performance. Find more details in the course flyer below. Explore the Chief AI Officer Certification by AI CERTs for leaders in AI. Learn how AI drives data decisions, automation, and innovation. Gain AI skills to shape strategy and lead in an AI-focused world. Provided by Synergogy, the official partner of AI CERTs. For more information, write to us at info@synergogy.com or visit our page on synergogy.com, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.